In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Koinly crypto taxes in TurboTax. If you've already prepared your crypto tax documents in Koinly, the next step is getting that information into TurboTax correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in a TurboTax so you can import or upload your Koinly tax documents smoothly and keep your filing process organized. To begin, log into TurboTax and open your return. Once you're on the main navigation area, go to the Federal section. This is where TurboTax collects most of your income-related tax information, including investment activity. Starting here helps make sure your crypto transactions are entered in the right part of your return. After that, click on Income. This section covers all the different categories of earnings and reportable financial activity for the tax year. Since crypto sales and related transactions are generally handled alongside investments, this is the correct path to follow. Next, look for the Investments and Savings area and then click Add Edit. This will open the section where you can manage investment-related entries, including imported tax forms and summaries from supported platforms. If you've already entered other investment information, this is also the place where you can update or add more. TurboTax may then ask whether you had investment income to report. If that prompt appears, click Yes. This tells TurboTax that you need to continue into the investment workflow, which includes options for crypto tax reporting through third-party services like Koinly. Once you're in the search or broker selection area, type Koinly into the search field. This helps TurboTax locate the correct integration or upload option faster, rather than scrolling through a long list of providers. Be sure to spell it correctly so it appears in the results. When Koinly appears, click on Koinly. This connects you to the right import pathway for your crypto tax documents. At this point, TurboTax is essentially guiding you toward bringing in the tax information you already prepared in Koinly, which can save time and reduce manual entry. Finally, upload your documents. This is where you'll add the files generated from Koinly for your crypto tax reporting. Before uploading, it's a good idea to double check that you downloaded the correct documents from Koinly for the right tax year and that the files are complete. After the upload finishes, review everything carefully inside TurboTax to make sure the data appears as expected. And that's it. Once your Koinly documents are uploaded, you'll be in a much better position to finish reporting your crypto taxes accurately in TurboTax.